Hi, welcome to Datic. Today's episode will be another one in the series of Will It Fix. With me today I have a couple of Dali Concept loudspeakers, and as I understand, one of the trebles has a little problem. So the question will be, as it always is, will it fix? Come join me. This is the speaker where the treble does not work. So what we're going to do is, the first thing we're going to do is to get it out of the cabinet. Okay, I don't know if you see it. This one has a lock, so I have to press in and then you pull. If you do it in any other way, you will destroy the contact. Okay, put this away. As I can understand, the issue is here, the coil. Has been some heat here, as you can see. This I bought as a repair kit for these speakers, as you can see. Well, it's not exactly the same. But okay. These ones are supposed to be there. done. And just to make sure that the sound picture is the same, I'm going to replace the other one as well, even if it's still working. It is a reason that the repair kit is sold in pair. The others, the first kit we replaced, I see that those connectors they were the same size. It is not the same size here. As you can see, the positive is a little bigger than the negative. But as I noticed from the other one, the positive is marked with a red mark. There. Then we put it together and we test it. Then I have the speakers connected to the amplifier. Let's see if we can make it rock, if it works.
Bluetooth mode. The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Don't go talking in your sleep, no. Don't get giving it all away. Don't go walking in your sleep, no.
It works perfect. So would they fix? Yes, absolutely. And I have to tell, had some issues with the screws, but when we were able to release the treble, it was kind of easy. Was not a difficult job. Both has been replaced and both are playing just marvelous. As you understand, this episode is very close to its end. Just a few things more to do. One thing is to thank you all for watching and for your support, and for the new ones, and also for those who still have not done it yet. You have these buttons down there, this subscribe button, click it, and also this like button. Click those, click both of them. It's free. So until next time, bye.